Need to free up space on your iPad without losing your iCloud photos? Deleting photos can clear storage, but iCloud Sync might delete them everywhere. In this video, we'll show you how to remove photos from your iPad without affecting iCloud or other devices, so your memories stay safe. Part 1. Can you delete photos from iPad, but not iCloud/iPhone? To delete photos from your iPad without affecting iCloud, disconnect iCloud photos. Otherwise, deleting photos on your iPad also removes them from iCloud. Managing photos locally avoids changes to iCloud or other devices. Part 2. How to remove photos from iPad only. Method 1. Turn off iCloud photos. Open the Settings app. Press your name, select iCloud. Select Photos, switch off iCloud Photos. Two choices will be presented to you. Selecting the option of Remove Photos from iPad will delete all photos on the device instantly. Selecting the option of Download Photos and Videos will download the files, and you will need to delete them off of the iPad by hand. Method 2. Log out of iCloud account. Navigate to the Settings, find your name, and click the Sign Out button. When prompted, enter the passcode and then proceed as directed. Go ahead and remove the pictures from your iPad. Bonus: safely back up iPhone photos before deleting them. To ensure your photos are safely backed up, transfer them from iPhone to computer first. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a reliable iOS data management tool for PC and Mac users. Step 1. Download, install, and launch Assistant for iOS on your computer. Connect your iPad or iPhone to the computer using its USB cable. Tap on Trust on your iPad if this is the first time you connect your iPad to this computer. Step 2. Once connected successfully, navigate to the left sidebar to choose the Photos category. Open it and select the pictures you want to transfer. Step 3. After selecting all the photos you need, click on Export to transfer all selected photos from iPhone to computer.